Before we begin, we'd like to acknowledge the history of the land we are standing on. This area around the Quabbin Reservoir belonged to the Nipmuc and Pecumtuck people and was also utilized by the Squaxin group who used this land for fishing, hunting, and farming. These communities were driven off their land by violence, disease, and discriminatory land legislation introduced by colonial settlers.
Hi, I'm Lisette. I'm a communication major, and I think Elena is going to find the most trash.
I'm Rel. I'm an NRC major, and I think Elena's going to pick the most trash.
My name is Haley, and I'm an informatics major, and I think Elena's going to pick up the most trash.
My name's Elena. I'm a natural resources conservation major, and I think I'm going to pick up the most trash.
Today we are here at the Quabbin Reservoir, which is constructed between 1930 and 1939. It's currently supplying water to the greater Boston area as well as Chicopee, South Hadley, and Willhaben. Littering is strictly prohibited in this area due to it being a drinking water source for over 2 million people. But it doesn't seem to stop hikers from leaving trash on the Quabbin surrounding trails.
The first piece of trash. Yay! Let trash day commence!
Let's go! We all love to hike, but we also all hate litter. Picking up trash might be yucky to some people, but it's our goal to have fun while doing it. Despite decades of government policies to reduce waste, we continue to throw away about 1 million tons of solid waste each year from Massachusetts, and about 2 or 3% of that waste becomes litter. That's between 120,000 to 180,000 tons of litter. That's as much as 90,000 cars, or around half the weight of the Empire State Building.
Ooh, nice. Rel is contributing, they're just on camera duty.
Piece of trash.
You did it!
What is that?
Don't look at it too close.
That's cool.
Don't look at it.
Oh my god. I'm like covered in ticks.
So after our day of picking up trash, I think that one thing I learned was that it's really easy to just bring a trash bag with you when you want to go for a hike, and it can kind of become like a little side quest almost, like just a little activity to do. It's not hard to carry. Yeah. So I feel like if more people just did that, it would be a lot easier to just pick up trash as you go and like not make a big deal about it.
And I realized today that there was a lot of small trash. During like when we were at lookouts or like at the parking lots, there was a lot of like cigarette butts and stuff that's very like not good for the environment, and it's just like laying around, but it's very like small.
Also, this entire time we've been here, we haven't seen one trash can. We saw most of the litter in parking areas and the lookout point and places like that, and we think those would be good places to put trash cans.
But overall, a great day.
Yeah,
Great day.
We had fun. Picking up trash can be fun, guys.
It is very fun. Yeah.